see degree measure. If a rotation from the initial side to terminal side is 1 by 3/60th of a revolution, the angle is said to have a measure of 1 degree, written as 1, and a small circular sign written in superscript. Here, O is initial point of ray OA. Ray OA is an initial side. If the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, the angle is said to be positive. Here, we can see that one revolution is equal to 360 degree. So, 1 by 360 into 360 degrees is equal to 1 degree. A degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute is divided into 60 seconds. 1/60th of a degree is called a minute, written as 1 prime, and 1/60th of a minute is called a second, written as 1 double prime. So, 1 by 60 of a degree is 1 minute and 1 by 60 of a minute is 1 second. Let us see radian measure. There is another unit for measurement of an angle called the radian measure. Angle subtended at the center by an arc of length 1 unit in a unit circle is said to have a measure of 1 radian. Let us take OA as initial side with length 1 unit. Now rotate OA 1 complete revolution in anti-clockwise direction. AB is an arc of length 1 unit in a unit circle and OB is the terminal side. Measurement of the length of radian and arc could be in centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, and inch, etc. Let us see the angles whose measure are -1 radian, 1.5 radian, and -1.5 radian. We know that the circumference of a circle of radius 1 unit is 2 pi. Thus, one complete revolution of the initial side subtends an angle of 2 pi radian. Since in a circle of radius r, an arc of length r subtends an angle whose measure is 1 radian, an arc of length l will subtend an angle whose measure is l by r radian. Thus, if in a circle of radius r, an arc of length l subtends an angle theta radian at the center, so we have theta equals L by R or L equals R theta. Let us see the relation between radian and real numbers. Let us consider a unit circle with center O and A be any point on the circle. Consider OA as initial side of an angle, then the length of an arc of the circle will give the radian measure of the angle which the arc will subtend at the center of the circle. Consider the line PAQ, which is tangent to the circle at A. Let the point A represent the real number 0. AP represents positive real number and AQ represents negative real numbers. If we rope the line AP in the anti-clockwise direction along the circle and AQ in the clockwise direction, then every real number will correspond to a radian measure and conversely. Thus, radian measures and real numbers can be considered as one and the same. Let us see relation between degree and radian. Since a circle subtends at the center an angle whose radian measure is 2 pi and its degree measure is 360 degrees, it follows that 2 pi radian equals 360 degree. So pi radian equals 180 degree. This relation enables us to express a radian measure in terms of degree measure and a degree measure in terms of radian measure, using approximate value of pi as 22/7. We have 1 radian equals 180 degree by 22/7, or 1 radian equals 57 degree 16 minutes. Also, 1 degree equals pi by 180 degree radian, which is equal to 0.01746 radian approximately. The relation between degree measures and radian measure of some common angles are given in the following table. Let us see the notational convention. Since angles are measured either in degrees or in radians, we adopt the convention that whenever we write theta degree, we mean the angle whose degree measure is theta, and whenever we write beta, we mean the angle whose radian measure is beta. Note that when an angle is expressed in radians, the word radian is frequently omitted. Pi equals 180 degree and pi by 4 equals 45 degree are written with the understanding that pi and pi by 4 are in radians. Thus, we can say that radian measure equals pi by 180 degree into degree measure. Also, degree measure equals 180 degree by pi into radian measure. Let us take an example. Convert 40 degree and 20 minutes into radian measure. Let's see the solution. We know that 180 degree equals pi radian. So the angle given here is 40 1/3 degree. We know that 60 minutes equal 1 degree. So 20 minutes equal 20/60 or 1/3 degree. Hence, the angle given here is 121/3 degree. Then 180 degree equals pi radian. So 1 degree equals pi by 180 radian. Therefore, 40 degree 20 minutes equal 121/540 pi radian.